I am excited that we're going to come to you with safety tidbits and tads, just small digestible things that you can take and use whenever you want, wherever you want. Let's get started. Have you seen this before? Do you know what an EpiPen looks like? Often we do hear about EpiPens and how to use them. There are a lot of people that may have EpiPens at home because they have a prescription, because they know that they are allergic to certain things. Whether you are a child, whether you're an infant, whether you're a child or adult, you may have an EpiPen subscription. This is an EpiPen subscription box. So you get one of these if you have been diagnosed with an allergy. So your physician will, a physician will prescribe this to other people, to people who have allergies. So if you come across someone who has had an allergic reaction to something that they know that they've had exposure to, then they may take out their EpiPen for you to use. So know that EpiPens come in a box that kind of look like this. They may, with them at any given time, they may have two EpiPens with them, or they may just have one EpiPen with them, whether it is the child that has it at school, maybe in the nurse's office, or whether it's an adult that has it in their purse or in their car or something like that, because they have known allergies. Either way, do know that when a person has an EpiPen, they have a kit like this, and they have a trainer that they are given at the same time, so that they actually have expertise on how to use the EpiPen that they may need. Couple things to keep in mind. If you need to support someone by giving them Epi because they haven't had an allergic reaction, for whatever that will look like, you're going to take the EpiPen from them. If they can give it to themselves, please give it to them and help support them, because they know how to use it on themselves. If not, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the EpiPen like this. You're going to take off the safety cap, and this blue thing on the top of it is the safety cap on this EpiPen. Different EpiPens look a little bit different. They may have a gray cap or a black cap. You're going to hold it in your hand, almost like you have a fist and you're going to be jabbing. And so what you're going to do is you're going to, for the person who's having that allergic reaction, you're going to take the EpiPen and you're going to swing it and jab it into their leg. You hold it there for at least 5 seconds. So let's count down: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little bit off. And then you're going to remove it. You want to rub that area for 30 seconds and then have them relax. Prior to using the EpiPen, if you can, alert someone to call 911 to help support them. If not, you go ahead and give the EpiPen, and as soon as it's given, you want to call 911. You do not want to delay giving the EpiPen for someone who knows that they need EpiPen because of an allergic reaction. If this is ever given, you want to make sure you hold it. The needle does retract inside of it. However, you don't want to push on that bottom part because you don't want to get stuck by the needle. You will hold it, and then you'll put it back in its container where you can dispose of it into a sharps container. After, if the person is there, hopefully EMS has been called. If they do not have any relief after 10 minutes, then you're going to want to use that other EpiPen, and if the EMS has not been there, and it would be the same way that you would do it. When you do give the Epi injection, it can go through clothes, it can go through jeans, or anything like that. Just remember you're going to swing and stab it. You don't have to remove any layers of clothing prior to giving it. So just FYI, EpiPen usage. See that?